Yeah, I wanted to go over another race highlighting how you can find value using these numbers. Uh, that's the key, looking for value, building wagers around it. Obviously, you don't have to bet every race. You can use these and you get multiple tracks. You can look through them and try to find races where you can see or it seems that it's representing good value by the numbers. Just basically by looking at early, late, PSV, and then obviously the morning line. So in this particular race, I didn't think there was really any extreme pace uh, going on here to set up either early or late. So when I don't see that, I basically go right to these two columns in the PSV, and then obviously just do some general handicapping, looking at the figures, kind of distance they've been running at, and then their record as well. On the surface and distance mainly, but also overall. So this was a 62.5 claiming race going a mile in the dirt at Churchill. And you look at the numbers, I highlighted the top two, which there was a tie for second here in the early, and the top two late. You can see the only horse that was highlighted, he was second early, and top late was the one, Roman Centurion, 6-1 morning line. Looks like he could be pretty good value in this field. He was also second on PSV, only 1 point behind this horse, East Side Cool. And then I circled the other three that were tied at 290 right behind them because, obviously looking at it, you might want to include those horses in exacta. A typical bet for me in a situation like this might be use the 1 and the 3 on top and then maybe go over 5 horses. The 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. Which, if you're only betting $1, that's only an $8 bet. And then obviously you can go from there. You can build off of that. Maybe include, I'll do things like add another ticket with the 1 on top, say, because that's the value horse, over these 4 horses as well. You bet $12. But if the 1 wins, if your key horse wins, you can cash for the whole exacta in this example instead of just half, depending on how much you're betting, what your budget is, how you're playing. But so in this race, the 1 did win. He won, and he paid $21.52 to win. So actually went off higher than that morning line, and extremely good value for that horse in this race. He coming out of 62.5, so no, class hike or anything. Greener Pastures, who did run second, was coming out of a nice allowance race here. So class-wise, one to look at for sure. And he did run second in the race. And it made for a nice exacta combination. For $2, it paid $94. So a nice, again, way using the numbers, highlighting early and late, kind of get yourself an idea, and then using PSV in conjunction with it and building value tickets off of that. Could have made a nice little payday. So thanks for watching again, and I hope everybody's cashing tickets. Thanks.